everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your automation consulting firm business. So I am an owner of an automation consulting firm business and I receive a lot of inquiries by my customers on WhatsApp. And now replying to each one of inquiry individually and manually is very time consuming and hectic. So to solve this problem, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. How this bot works is that as soon as I've created this bot, now whenever I receive any of the messages by the customers on WhatsApp, automatically this bot is going to reply to those messages. So now if you want to learn how to create this entire chatbot for yourself, for your business, and you want to see how this bot works, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to create an intelligent and interactive WhatsApp chatbot for your automation consulting business using Pabbly Chatflow. So first of all, I'll give you a quick demo of how this chatbot works in real time, how your customers, according to your customers' point of view. Okay, so this is the bot that I've created right over here, and towards this bot, I'm going to send a message that is going to be, hey, I want to know about different services. So I'm going to send this message to this bot, and as soon as I'm going to do that, within few seconds, I have received this message from this bot. Welcome to Auto Connect Solutions. This is the name of my business. We're excited to help you achieve successful throughout automation tools. How can I assist you today? I want to learn about automation, so I'm going to select this button from these options. And automatically, I have received another message and as I'm going to select another button from the message, automatically this bot is going to reply to me with that message right here, okay? And you can see this bot is going to automatically reply to all my messages right here. And in this video, we are going to learn how you can build this bot step by step using Pabbly Chatflow. For creating the bot, I am using Pabbly Chatflow. For that, firstly, browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow. That is pabbly.com/chatflow. As I'm going to do that, then Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. On the landing page, you have two options: sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, directly sign in to your Pabbly Chatflow account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Chatflow account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. What is Pabbly Chatflow? It is a tool that helps businesses to send WhatsApp messages and manage WhatsApp conversations efficiently. In Pabbly Chatflow, to set up your account, you have to add your WhatsApp number, and there are two methods for that: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to learn any of the methods out of these two methods right over here, step by step, to connect your Pabbly Chatflow, to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you can find the tutorials for both of these methods in the description box below. Pabbly Chatflow also provides multiple features like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, and settings, under which you have multiple options. If you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out all the videos that we have already added in the description box below, okay? So in order to create a bot in our Pabbly Chatflow account, from the left side we have to go towards flows, and we have to select flows section right over here. Then flow builder page is going to appear in front of you, and now we're going to create a new bot. For that, we have to add a flow. For that, click on this add flow button on the top right corner. Then you can see this is the new flow created. Firstly, I'm going to rename the flow. So the name of this flow is going to be WhatsApp chatbot for your automation consulting firm business. This is the name of my bot right over here. After naming the bot over here, you can see it says flow start. How this bot that we are creating is going to be triggered. There are three ways: keywords, regex, and choose template. So let's suppose you have added few keywords in this field right here, and your customer sends those keywords as a message on your WhatsApp. This flow is going to be triggered from here. After that over here it says choose template. So let's suppose after that over here it says choose template. So let's suppose now you have selected a template over here in the flow start, and you have forwarded that template as a broadcast message to all your customers, and then your customer replies towards that template. Then automatically this flow is going to be triggered from here. Next is regex. Regex is a short of regular impressions. It is a special pattern or sequence of characters used to find, match or filter specific text. Okay. Over here I have a special regex character. As soon as I'm going to enter that regex character in this field, now whenever I'm going to receive any of the messages, any inquiries or questions by my customers on WhatsApp, this bot is going to be triggered from here. So I'm going to enter that special character in this regex field. So this is the regex that I have. This is that special character that is going to trigger this workflow for any of the messages that I receive from my customer. Okay. If you want to use this character in your regex field in your flow as well, you can find this in the description box below. After entering the regex over here, this is the flow start. As now the flow is going to be started, as now this bot is going to be triggered from the flow start, what is the first message that this bot should send to my customer? I want this bot to send a greeting message in this manner right over here. With that, it should send multiple options like this. The first message should be like this. For that, simply from this point, I'm going to drag it and drop it in this field. Content type, I'm going to select as text plus button. For the message over here, I'm going to write it as... So this is the message that I have right here. It is welcoming the customer. Welcome to Auto Connect Solutions. We are excited to help you achieve success through powerful automation tools. You can see right over here, it is saying to choose an option from the below. For adding options in this message, we are going to add a button over here in this message. For that, click on this add button option, and over here you have to name the button. Similarly, I have to add two other buttons as I want 3 buttons in this message. In a message, you can only add maximum number of 3 buttons. Okay, so I'm going to name all the 3 buttons over here. That is going to be, so these are 3 of my buttons: learn about us, book a consultation, talk to support. Okay, so these are the 3 buttons. These are the 3 most common inquiries that I have from my customers on WhatsApp. Okay, so now what message should be forwarded towards my customer if they select this button, that is learn about us. Over here, as soon as they're going to select learn about us, I want to tell about what is automation and what kind of automation do we provide in our business. For that, simply I'm going to drag this point and drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button, and for the message over here, I'm going to write it as... So this is the message that I have. Our automation solutions are designed to save your time and effort and help your business grow. Over here you can see it is asking for would you like to learn more about us? For adding what would you like to learn more about us? As I received 3 most asked questions, what are the different automation for your business grow, what would you like to learn more about us? For learning more about us, I want to add buttons in this message as well. So for the name of the buttons, I'm going to give it as... So these are the name of my 3 buttons right here: marketing automation, CRM automation, and the workflow automation. Okay, so as soon as a customer selects any of these buttons, they are going to know about what is marketing automation, CRM or workflow automation that we provide in our business. So now as I want to describe of all these automations, so for each button I'm going to write a message. Firstly, for the marketing automation, content type is going to be text plus button, and for the message over here, I'm going to write it as... So this is the message for marketing automation right here. Marketing automation can be revolutionized. Marketing automation can revolutionize your business by streamlining your marketing efforts and engaging your audience more efficiently. You can see this is the entire description of marketing automation. What all automations are included: email campaign. You can see I've described the entire marketing automation right here. Lastly, I've written that would you like to dive deeper into one of these? Just contact us. Okay, so as I want to send a contact us message to them, So as I want to provide a contact us option to them, for that I'm going to add a button of contact us right here. Okay. So this is the button for the contact us, with the help of which they will receive the contact details in our business. After that, over here you can see it says CRM automation. For the CRM automation, I'm going to write the message, and similarly I will write a message for the workflow automation here as well, and I will attach contact us button for both of these messages as well. So you can see I've added the message for both of these buttons. This message is for this CRM automation, that is lead nurturing and engagement message. Okay, I have provided all the details in this message right here, and as I wanted to add a contact us button, I've done that as well. And similarly for the workflow automation, I have added this analytics and reporting message in workflow automation, and what I provide, what all the services that we provide, and what is the meaning of that. Okay, and with that I've added the button of this contact us as well. So for the message of this contact us, I'm going to leave it for second, because I'm going to deal with my second button over here, that is book a consultation. Firstly, I'm going to rearrange the messages. So next button is book a consultation. For consultation, I have created a link in my Calendly account, with the help of which any of the clients can book the consultation appointment for 30 minutes in my business. Okay, so this is the preview of the link you can see right over here, and I've attached the link of this appointment booking. And I've attached this appointment booking link in the message of this book a consultation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the message for book a consultation. Content type is going to be text plus button. And for the message of the book a consultation, I'm going to write it as. So this is the message for book a consultation. Thanks for choosing Auto Connect Solutions. And over here you can see for free 30 minutes consultation booking, I have provided this Calendly link right over here, and using this link the customer can book a consultation, free consultation for 30 minutes in my business. Okay, so over here this is the message. Now after the book a consultation message over here, I want to add a button in this message as well of contact us. So firstly I'm going to do that. So I've added the button. I'm going to leave this button for a second as it is. Now I have this last message button, that is talk to support. In this message, I want to provide my support team's phone number as well as the email address, with the help of which the clients can directly contact to my business. Okay, so simply I'm going to drag this point and drop it over here in this field. Content type I'm going to select as text plus button, and for the message over here for talk to support, I'm going to write it as. So this is the message for talk to support. Our team is here to assist you with any questions. You can see I've added the support email and the mobile number of my team right here. So this is the message for talk to support over here. Okay, so now this is the message that should also be forwarded with the button contact us. So I'm going to simply connect this button to this contact us message right here. So I'm going to connect all the contact us buttons to this message. Okay, so this is the contact us message right here. In this message, I also want to add a button of back to main menu. Using this button, I can go back to this main menu right here. So I'm going to connect this back to main menu button to this main menu right. So I'm going to connect this back to main menu button to this main menu right over here. This is the main menu. Okay, so this is the entire chatbot that I've created for my automation consulting business firm right here. Okay, so now to save this bot that I've created, I'm going to click on the save button on the top right corner. It says flow updated successfully. That means now this bot is created. Now I want to test this bot, and how can I do that? For testing the bot, I'm going to send a WhatsApp message to this bot from my number. So this is the bot right over here. And towards this bot, I'm going to send a message. So this is the bot right over here, and towards this bot, I'm going to send a message. I want to book a free trial. Okay, so I'm going to send this message to this bot. And you can see automatically this bot has replied to me with a welcome message and number of options. I'm going to book a free consultation over here. So I'm going to select this option. I have received the message with the Calendly link. Okay. And you can see that this bot is automatically going to reply to all my messages. So this is how this bot is going to work in real time. Okay. This means that I've successfully built this bot using Pabbly Chatflow. And that's how you can build a smart, fully automated WhatsApp chatbot for a automation consulting business using Pabbly Chatflow. So now it's your turn. Go ahead and test it out yourself. With 100 free credit points in your Pabbly account, you can start building and testing your own WhatsApp chatbot right away. So this was it. So this is how you create this amazing bot. This was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.